This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel, See the World Through Tanvir Kazmi. Again, I'm here to discuss very important and very hot news about announcement from USA President about imposing different duty, import duty for different countries, major countries, that was reacted so much into the world that I thought I would talk about this. People are criticizing, people are complaining, world is complaining, leaders are complaining, and I was wondering why this has become so serious situation. Every country is a independent country. Every country has a right. Every administration has a right to make decision about its people, about its country. Many times I saw president's speech that he said he does not hate anybody, he loves everybody, but he saw his people are getting lazier, not having enough knowledge or jobs into his country for the last few years. And he was announcing for many years before elections, and also many people were having trouble to finding a job, new generation, and that was eye-opening for the entire administration. So what he was promising before, and he again insists on the same, that look, we don't hate you. We just want our plants or reproduction process to be introduced also. We want our people to learn to make good products. And we want to also play a role into sharing our knowledge and also our productivity, manufacturing to you country and also our country. So what he suggested here, which has taken very seriously, and I was wondering why it becomes so serious. What he suggested, any country allow us is importing into United States with the zero tariff duty or very minimum. So he was suggesting, why don't you allow our people to also export into your country their product? So I don't see any injustice here. There's a wish. Keep in your mind, every human is different. Every president is different. God has put soul his, but he's given knowledge differently. So taking everything negative, it will also impact not only this country, will impact the entire world. And I don't see any reasons to become chaotic situation here. He's simply asking again, look, I'm not hating anybody. I want to do some manufacturing in the United States. So he said there are many auto industry, many product was United States used to have, but they all have closed now, and people are having no jobs. So he was asking, if you are sending us billions and billions of dollars of imports to our country with free, so why not let us having the same tariff rates what you're imposing on us to import product into your country? So we will impose to our country. That's becoming justice. So if you want to import your products into this country, United States, free, then why not let us also, if my people, our people in the United States want to manufacture something, cars or any other products, rice or anything else, it is, why don't you allow us same way? If you allow you want to bring your stuff into here free, so we expect that you also allow us to also help your country, our people, duty free. So apparently, if you see, is a human wish, and I don't see any problem with that. Think about your one family living in a house, and think about your neighbors. So your neighbor send you something, and you also want to share something. There's no wrong in here. There's no any other agenda here. We should be thinking about, not everybody has a big something. Every human is the same. We have a family. We want to help. We want our children to be productive. So that was his wish. So he said, if you're imposing on us something, uh, tariffs very high, so then expect same from us. But he said, if you let us import our products, which will help your country. Keep in your mind, if people, you have billions of people today, maybe next few years you have many billions people. So we need every country to produce something, help each other. We are a family living all over the world together. We should never too much worry about the resources coming, the water coming from sky, the tree give us food, the crops of rice and wheat and all kind of meat. It has been given to us free. We have not done anything. We have not done anything, but we share our resources to each other. So that's a good thing. Make it things as a positive. Don't think as it's a negative. So if you want America to give you something, so do same thing. If you want your product to be introduced into the United States, and if you're imposing something very little, so America has a right to give you as a little bit. You also let them import. So I think let's sit down together with a family. Let's not dispute too much. Let's not worry too much. I don't see the reason the stock market is going down for too much worries. There is no worries. It is good that more people are willing to work. The more people will work, the more you will get produce. We are 8.5 billion people now. We will be tomorrow 16 billion people. We need a lot of resources. We need a lot of houses for every child. We need food. We need clothing. We have so much need for each other. Let's not discourage people for doing manufacturing. Let's not discourage people to not to produce something or taking share what you're doing. Let's do it together as a family. We are family, and keep in your mind, the more we live together, more we defeat our common enemy, devil, Satan, Rakshas. The more we become together, love and patience and peace, we will get reward forever, billions of years in the next life in heaven. This life a test, and continue. Keep in your mind our true enemy of devil or Satan. His job is to create fear into our thoughts, and that something going to happen. Nothing is happening. Every human has an inside heart which is very soft. They wanna play some role, so let them play some role. I think let's not to get too much worried about this duty. But if you really want and the America to give you free import inside, so go ahead and do the same thing. Let them say, sure, come on. If you want to import something into our country, help, go ahead. We'll let you do same thing. So this way is a justice. This way, let's not create an unnecessary conflict here. Let's say, that's great. If, that's a justice. If you want to let your product to come here, let them with the same rate, duty and excise duty, let them export into your country. This way, your people will be happy. Entire world will live in peace and prosperity. Let's go towards peace. Let's love each other again. Let's not think about different countries. We are one village. We are one family living together all over the world. So let's enjoy that privileges being a human being, and also this success in the hereafter. I hope we will remove this conflict and become positive and share knowledge and resources to each other without any conflict. See you next time. Take care. Bye.